Transformers, what is up? We got a ton of crystals to crack. We're only going to crack some, make a quick video, and then get off to the next one. Pop a couple freebies here. See what we get. Alright, not bad. Ripper Snapper right off the bat. And we're going to do the toolboxes in this video, and then we will do another video for another set of the crystals and so on and so forth. 3000 Spark. Some Frost. Alright, we got an Octone. Alright, there we go. Come on. Alright, leaderboard event starts tomorrow, guys. Let me take a look here really quick after I grab this crystal. Let's go ahead and see what we got here. We're in the Platinum League right now. This is Ghost Warriors, guys. Let's see. I better do some attacks here. Alright, Alliance, leaderboard. See if we're full here, guys. I think we had one or two. No, we are currently full. Otherwise, I was going to see if anybody was looking for Alliance to join, but we are currently full. Always a nice thing when your Alliance is full and you got a leaderboard. Alright, let's go. Toolboxes, here we come. Usually nothing but trash. Kresmix. Just to have 2, 3, and 4-star crystals along with the Kresmix. Some premium shards. Kresmix. 3-star shards. Kresmix again. Usually don't like these events with these toolboxes. It's usually junk. Not an event I usually put too much time in. Come on. Golly, no 4-star shards. 3-star shards. 3-star shards. Kresmix. 3-star shards. Nothing but junk. Alright, almost done with these toolboxes here. As you see, pretty much just boosts. Nothing exciting. Wish they get rid of the event when they do this. Something that actually benefits. Here we go, we got a premium crystal. Kresmix, last one. Alright, let's go ahead and pop this bad boy here, guys. Guaranteed Prime Core. Alright, you can see what I need. I only need, I believe, 4 more. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So, yeah, let's go ahead and see what this is. I'll only need 3 after that. All the way to the top. What are we going to get? Boom! We got Prima. There we go. All right. 3 more to grasp. And then we're good to go. All right, guys. Go ahead and put in the comments below what you guys think of this Prima Prime Core. And who you recommend that we should put that bad boy on. Alright guys, thanks for coming. Thanks for watching this video. It was a nice short one. We will be coming back in another video to pop these guys here. This is the Warrior Crystals. We got 119 of those. And we'll get those bad boys popped in the very next video. So make sure you guys stay tuned. Make sure that notifications bell is been clicked. And also, do not forget, hit that thumbs up button down below. I'd greatly appreciate it. And we'll catch you guys all in the very next video.